Nobody hurt. Thank
Big
goodness. Oh my goodness. All right, so we got cold weather for a few days. So that coat that was in the back of the closet, the big one.
Yesterday's high was 16 in Central Park.
I know.
Forecast high is 32.
Crazy.
We have days this coming week with highs in the 20s in the park, so it's about to get a whole lot colder. And what helps bring in that Arctic cold front, a few snow squalls this afternoon. Well, it's the reverse. The front brings in the snow squalls.
What you say.
But you know what I mean. Okay. Here's a look outside.
Cute.
You just interpret what I'm trying to say. Don't listen to what I'm saying. 35 degrees right now. The sun fading behind the clouds ahead of the front that does bring us much colder conditions throughout the week. And, of course, the snow squalls this afternoon. Right now, temperatures across the tri-state in the 30s. It's a cold one, especially as compared to yesterday, 20 to 25 degrees colder. And then we have this wind that will continue to increase with this front moving through. And that's making a difference in how it feels. Wind chills in the 20s for the most part. So bundle up as you head out the door. Here's a look at the radar. For much of the morning, it was quiet. We even started with sunshine, but light snow starting to push in here ahead of the snow squalls. You see the deeper blues here in central PA. We've already seen some snow squall warnings issued, and they can really limit visibility as they move through. That's what's coming come this afternoon. So let's time it out for you. We stay quiet through about midday. Then at noon, that's when the snow squalls approach from the west, and that's when they'll start to inch into our area. By about 2 p.m., it looks like that front right over New York City could start as rain with the leading edge, and then snowflakes will fly behind it. By about 3 or 4, it exits east. So in and out very quickly. In fact, while it's moving through your area, it'll only last 20 or 30 minutes. But it's moderate to heavy snowfall, which can really limit visibility with really gusty wind. Do we expect accumulations today? Not really, because it is moving through so quickly, but still can cause trouble in terms of driving around. So if you're out running errands, be aware of that. Behind this front, really colder air. Much colder air starts to filter in, so it will get very chilly tonight as the blustery wind picks up. Tomorrow morning, our temperature starts in the teens and 20s across the tri-state. This is actual air temperature, not wind chill, so very, very cold. And then we get some sunshine. So quieter Monday ahead of us, but clouds will increase for the second half of the day tomorrow, and that's ahead of the next round of snow overnight into Tuesday morning. This is light to moderate snowfall, but for a few hours means we will accumulate some, especially as we move toward Tuesday morning. So today's snow, it's in and out so quickly that we'll be lucky to accumulate maybe a coating up to a half of an inch for our northernmost suburbs. We don't expect to accumulate anything in the city. But moving into Tuesday's snow event, that's when we could get 1 to 3 inches across the area, and that is going to create the slicker conditions, especially for Tuesday morning's commute. So today makes 700 consecutive days without at least an inch of snow in Central Park. I'm hoping that Tuesday's event will snap that streak. So for today, we have that cold front moving through, which could bring some snow showers or snow squalls as we head from about noon to 3 or 4 p.m. After that, the colder air filters in behind it and temperatures drop quickly. But snow is only half the equation this afternoon. The wind is really picking up as well. So that is going to get gusty, which contributes to the cold feel and can create the blowing snow as the showers are moving through. And that's the snow squall. So today's forecast high, 40 degrees. That's where we expect to land, a lot closer to where we should be this time of year, but 20 colder than yesterday, so you're feeling the difference. As we head into tonight, a clear sky as the colder air filters in behind the front, and that means our lows fall to the teens and 20s. Tomorrow, highs are capped close to the freezing mark, even colder, but we do get sunshine for the first half of the day. It's heading into tomorrow night, and especially overnight into Tuesday, that snow arrives. An AccuWeather alert going into effect on Tuesday with 1 to 3 inches of accumulation expected. At this point, we'll stay on it. And then look at those highs. Our temperatures next week top out in the 20s and 30s. It is about to be a whole lot colder around here. That's a check of the AccuWeather forecast. We'll be right back after the break.
On the morning